Remaining balance on suspense account. David has extracted a trial balance and created a suspense account with a credit balance of $1,520 to make it balance. David found the following. 1. A sales invoice for $9,140 that has not been entered in the accounting records. 2. A payment of $3,024 has been posted correctly to the payables control account, but no other entry has been made. 3. A credit sale of $264 has only been credited to the sales account. What is the remaining balance on the suspense account after these errors have been corrected? Answer. Suspense account. Cash, $3,024. Total, $3,024. Balance, B over F, $1,520. Receivables, $264. Balance, C over F, $1,240. Total, $3,024. Adjusting entry. Debit suspense account, $3,024. Credit cash, $3,024. Debit receivables, $264. Credit suspense account, $264.